Alright, so I'm gonna be swatching some of my new little Valentine glitters and colors because they are so beautiful. And I know sometimes people just want to sit and watch something cuando no están haciendo nada, you know, because that's what I be doing. So girlfriend, I got something for you. So these, hold on, where's the other one? There's 4 glitters that come in little jars like this. They are not acrylic mixes, okay? So they're raw glitter. I got requests to put some on the website like that because not everybody works with acrylic. So whenever there's acrylic in there, you'll see it's a little foggy. These are completely see-through, so these are raw glitter, and these are already mixed and ready to use. So this one is Angel Kiss. This one is the one that I used on my super long nails that everybody be liking, and so I was just going to put it on here. And I'm using my number 16 Kolinsky brush. This is the pink handle. So nos quiere caer el acrylic. And it's pretty much a light pink and gold mix. It's super pretty because it has like little gold flakes, little gold circles, and then pink little matte hexagons, big and small. So this is perfect for like Valentine's Day, the spring, even summer. You could use it all year, in my opinion. I mean, shit, I don't really go by the seasons, but I feel like this is super perfect. Así full or more transparent, kind of like at the top. So I'm just gonna do the whole thing full because this is gonna be a little swatch for my clients, and most of them like a full look porque no les gusta ver la uña por debajo. But I will also make a little option for them to see where it's like spread out. So pretty much right here I'm just moving around the glitters so I could have a full nail. And then if you have any extra on your napkin, you could just reuse them and apply them where there's little gaps. That way you don't have to add more from the one in the jar, porque está bendito, you know. So this color has been our hot seller for the month of February. Super cute. I'll put it right here. This one was part of our Christmas collection, our holiday collection, that I had in December. And it was really pretty, so I picked a few and I brought them out in 6 ounces. So the next one that I'm gonna do is Be My Valentine, bitch. You wanna be my Valentine or what? This one is like a holographic purple pink. I'm not a big fan of purple, but if it has a little bit of pink in it, I will fuck with it. So right here you could see it's holographic. So si no te gusta shiny, pues hoy se cayó la verga. Because I grabbed a lot, it didn't fucking, like, you have to give it a couple seconds for it to start setting. Y pues, I'm impatient, bitch. I'm impatient. That's why when I started doing nails, I was like, girl, this is not gonna be for me porque I'm very impatient. My man be like, ay, Guzman. He says that los Guzmanes in my family were super impatient, which is true. I'm not even gonna lie, but we want shit done pronto, honey, now. Like, here, let me tell you guys a little story. I don't know if you guys are gonna think I'm crazy, or let me know in the comments if you would do this too. So A couple years ago, I really liked this makeup palette. It was all glitter. And I was like, I mean, I've always been obsessed with glitter, pero como que I was in that stage in my life where I just wanted everything to sparkle, like even my makeup. So I was like, oh my god, I want that fucking palette, and oh my god, it's so pretty. Like, I had never seen glitter in a palette like that. So, you know, I was like, bitch, let me get it. I don't even know where the fuck I got it, but I remember it was in a beauty school somewhere in like Fontana and shit. And I'm from LA, so that's like 40 minutes without traffic. So tell me why I go on the website of the school and it doesn't let you ship. You just have to pick up. So I was like, all right, you know what? Let me fucking go pick it up. So I tell my man, oh, I'm gonna go to Fontana to get a palette. And he's like, what? You're gonna drive all the way over there just for makeup? I'm like, yeah. He's like, why can't you just ship it? I'm like, because they don't allow that. Like, they don't give me the option. So my ass drove to Fontana, honey, for some makeup. Oh, I already did that one. Now, princesita. And he told me I was crazy. But it's like, cuando se me mete una idea, no hay nada que me la saque de la pinche cabeza. I have to fucking do it. I don't give a fuck how long it's gonna take me. Like, I'd rather go pick it up right now than wait a couple days or a week for it to arrive. Like, fuck that. Baby wants it right now, not later. And my dad is the same. If he fucking wants something that's like 6 hours away, he's gonna go get it. So he's the one to blame. So this pink right here is more like I don't want to say it's a metallic, but it gives you more of a metallic look. Like, it's not holographic or anything like that. It's really pretty, like a chrome metallic look. And it has little and big hexagons. Super pretty. Any shade of pink I love. Okay, so just push it in. But yeah, so I'm impatient as fuck. So sometimes, especially right now, cuando está haciendo frío, fuck, man. Even the regular temperature, it lags to dry a little bit. No, hombre, in the winter, honey, you gotta be a little bit more patient. So let me just drag this little glitter down. And I don't really care if it's not like super perfect, because the point of this swatch is to see the color, and you get the idea there. Okay, let's close that up. Alright, so let me see if this lamp goes brighter. No. Alright, that's as bright as it goes. So next, I'm going to do this little star, little heart. Ay, todos están cerrados. Yo parezco aquí pendeja con dos uñas missing. This, oh my god, let's not even talk about it. Me metí dos putazotes de mi vida. Like, I had not done that in a long time. I was like, bitch, what the fuck? I think my nails are a little too long. So whenever you're working with like raw glitter like this, especially like big pieces, you could either apply it one by one, like you could put it on your napkin. A few, you know, depending on the design you're gonna be doing. You could be doing a whole nail and then you just want like one or two. Or you can grab some acrylic, some clear acrylic, and then dip it in there and you grab some. And this is only if you don't want to like mix it with acrylic. I don't know why, but this one be giving me some unicorn vibes. So I'm not going to do it super full because I want to just show that there's different figures in this mix. Because with really big pieces, you can't really pack it on. It's really hard to get it super packed. And then when it's time to file, you will shave into a sequence or a shape or whatever. So it's best to, if you do want to do like a full nail, put a color underneath that is similar. Or you could also do it this way, you know, just apply it while the acrylic is wet. Super easy. And whenever you have like little shapes, it's not the brightest idea to super pack it, because then you don't see the little shapes in there. And it looks really nice. Like this one still has see-through spaces, so you're able to see that there's hearts and stars, so it's pretty cute. Or just even a few, or like a little ombre. So it's up to you how you like it. I'm just showing you what they look like and giving you an idea of how to do it, because when I was starting to do nails, girl, I did not know none of this. Even though it's super easy to me, I feel. And I feel like it's kind of common sense, but bitch, when you fucking starting, como que se te va el common sense, you're just like, how do I do it? What? That's impossible. You want that on your nails? Like, you know? Let me know if you be like that when your client te trae una pinche foto and you're like, oh no, eso es imposible, mija. Yo ni sé ni cómo empezar. So, I'm gonna start this one by putting some clear acrylic. And I'm just gonna use my wet brush, and I'm gonna put the glitter, I see, like scattered, because this one does have little ones and big ones and shapes and hearts and all of this. I want to just show you what the mix has. So it has holographic hearts, it has hexagons, it has red hearts. Check it out. You can make it more full, you could do whatever you want, but I'm just here to show you what they look like. They look super pretty, and I'm so sad that I haven't came to work sooner. But girl, I'm still in time for Valentine nails. This one is by far my favorite. Yeah, I know, it's because it's pink, but it's my favorite. Pink in any, I bet I can open it. Pink in any shade is my favorite. So if you want to have more control on the amount of glitter that you apply to the nail, I recommend to apply the clear first and then go ahead and pick up the glitter. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh yes, honey. This one reminds me of My Little Pony. My Little Pony. I apologize if your ears hurt right now with my little singing. I don't know how to sing. I sing terrible, but bitch, who the fuck cares? So aquí esta sí me voy a pasar de verga un poquito con el rosita porque está bien bonito. And then once you encapsulate the design, it's gonna look a lot cuter because the little iridescent in the nail is going to like pop, especially if you do like matte or shiny. So these are the colors. I'm not sure if, oh wait, I'm missing one. So I kind of lied. I have more than one color. I have these little golden hearts. They're like, to me they look rose gold, like light gold. It's not like the yellow gold. To me, I feel like, I don't know, they're like champagne. They're really pretty. They look classy. Personally, I don't really like yellow gold anymore that much, unless it's like little touches, like un poquito nomás. I feel like it's too, I don't know, I feel like ya pasó de moda el gold. Look at. So I'm just gonna apply the little corazoncitos, así like what is, because people like them just scattered around in the nail. And again, this is just to show you the color of the product. Ooh, it's so cute, honey. Let me put it right there. And then I forgot that I also had these other two colors. So this one's red, this one is pink. This one matches this color. Very, very similar. So, pues ya que andamos aquí, let's show you. So these big jars, these bigger jars, because Valentine is around the corner and I really, really want you guys to get your hands on them, I put them for $5. So, bitch, if you haven't already grabbed your shit, go get one because they're not gonna last long. The big jars are $5, and the bigger, I mean the smaller ones, they are $3. Like, nunca más en su vida les voy a dar algo así tan baratón. You guys are lucky que se va a acabar un poquito el Valentine, and we are prioritizing those orders because I already know you guys need your little corazones, you need your little Valentine stuff. So if you order by last night or today or whenever you get a chance, we are gonna try our best to ship them by no later than Monday, hopefully by Saturday. Shit, pero pues ahí está. Y luego the little pink ones. Ooh, honey, so excited. And then I have another thing that arrived today to my house. Ooh, I've been waiting for this for a couple months now. It got fucking lost. Nah, just kidding, it didn't get lost. It was just on its way. Ooh, this one is so pretty. Yeah, I know. I say everything pink is pretty. So I'm just moving them around. I already know one of my clients is gonna be like, ah, yo quiero esa, yo quiero la rosita. And then the little hearts, they just fall in like como sea, como caiga el pinche corazón. So there it is. I am not gonna put any top coat because I don't got time for that right now. But ahí las dejo con los little swatches. And if you want to see a color all over again, you could like just rewind it, you know, or watch the video all over again. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.